What is giving? Scouts! Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? I am Marshaewalker. If you've never been here before, and if you have, what's going on? I know you haven't seen me in a minute. Don't act like that. Don't try to act funny, okay? Y'all, it's just been a lot. A lot has been going on. Your girl has been moving, trying to get this place in order. Before I just hop on this camera, I do have a house tour coming up for you guys, so stay tuned for that. But today, I'm just trying to get this stuff together. Gotta do my skin first. I need to go to the store and get my tongue scraper, some mouthwash. Like, y'all, just feel like we out of everything. And can't be walking around smelling iffy, okay? So, we gotta get that right. Happy to be in a new place. I'm blessed to be in a new place. Just trying to get everything like together after moving and all that is bit of a headache, but it's a good headache. It's a good headache. This bathroom is clean. The only thing I need to do is like make up the bed, and I gotta buy new bed spreads for my bed because it's just not, it's not giving, girlfriend. So, but that's what we're gonna stick with for now. Clean up the kitchen, break down some of these boxes. You know, try to really get some things done so this house can start looking like a home instead of a storage unit. Okay? What in the world? I didn't know you could do that. Why do I always spray so much of this every time, and then I be looking crazy? See, look, too much. Yeah, I couldn't even really wake up this morning because I have somebody yelling for Coco to open up the door, like outside my window. Talking about how much he ain't been working and ain't had no sleep, and if she opened up the door, he promised to just go lay down. He even lay down on the couch like a man would know where to go. She did the right thing but not opening up that door. So probably next week I'm gonna go to the home store, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, Burlington's to see what I could find for us, like bed and stuff. Because this white sheet is really old, and you could tell. I don't want to get no more bedding like from Walmart and stuff, because it just seems like the material and everything is cheap. I want to go with like a, honestly don't know what I want to go with, y'all. I'm just trying to get stuff put away. Clothes, I have like clothes for days, like literally clothes on this floor over here. These is clean. Some of them are new. Some of them clothes is new, but they all washed and clean and all that good stuff. I need to go to the home store and return those pants hangers and get another 50 count hangers for $14. They was $19. Tomorrow, well, today is the last day for moving out of the old place. So that place got to get deep cleaned. Most of the stuff is out of there, but we still have a lot of stuff in our garage, so we have to find a way to get that stuff moved out. Or, you know, they try to charge you or take your security deposit, but yeah, we got to get that stuff out of there. Probably go put it in my mama's storage, because she got like one of those huge storages where you can just walk in. And I want to get all this done, like all this cleaning stuff done, before I put my hair on, because I refuse to be sweating off my wig trying to clean up a house. Another reason why I'm not really like too rushing to put them clothes up that's on the floor is because I have a dresser that's coming either today or tomorrow. This is how your girl closet is looking. Got all my good stuff up. These are the hangers that need to go back to be right there anymore. So y'all see it now. And I'm going to show y'all the aftermath for when the dresser comes. Look. I don't even know what this is anymore. Probably a junk bag full of who knows what. Literally. Shoes. Like a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. OMG. I feel so tired. And I only cleaned nothing really. Washed dishes. The living room, they land in the living room. So I'm not gonna do that. But for now, I'm done cleaning, child. I'm done cleaning. I want to do my hair. But let me tell you, it is so easy for me to sweat. Like, it takes literally 0.2 seconds for me to sweat, and now I just be drenched. So let me stop for a little bit so I can cool down, and then I don't know, me and Elijah probably go to Walmart and get some solution for the Swiffer. I really want a Dyson, but you know. And then I'll probably come back and do my hair.
got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? What's that? Love, what is love? Would you believe it if I told you all about it? But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast and fuck. That's what get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for that.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, bought some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Or am I the soundless how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the help. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. You said it's gonna even last. Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. You know I won't do that. I'm sorry I said that. Swear fame ain't changed shit but my mind. You see the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? Is your blood? What we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love?
What's that?
What is love? Girl, we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love?
We hit the club and this cops feeling jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the deal. And I'm with a bad bitch and a god and a deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like is it all?
Now we're just gonna let it sit and blow dry the rest of this hair out. I ended up getting this little comb blow dryer from Marshall's. Yeah, I think I got it from Marshall's. But yeah, my camera here died. Like, this hair is so freaking pretty. I've never used one of these type of dryers before, so let's see if I can operate it. I do have another blow dryer, but it don't have no teeth on it. If I can find a link to this here, I will link it for y'all. Had to go get me a poppy. Got this piercing, and it literally catches on to everything. Like, I need to go get these nails taken off so I'm able to unravel it if it get caught. And I'm just pulling this hair in the front to the back, so when I take this band off, it's not hair, it's just flying around. And then I take the back and pull it up as well, because it's kind of stuck. Anywho, it's a little warm in here in this bathroom. Oh, see, that was the piece of hair. Okay, I think we got it though. And it's all glitz and glam. Ooh, it didn't even stick. Okay. What's up, baby? You fine, baby? You fine? How much you like a piece of butter? Okay, so y'all see it's a little light. Where's my rat tail? We're gonna pull. So whatever is not supposed to be right here, we're gonna take it back. Like that. All that back. This, let's see how it acts when I pull it back. I feel like I need to cut a little bit of that off, but it's not really like a big, it's not really a big deal. We're just gonna try to pull it back. Okay, so we're gonna spray first. I need to find my color. What color am I? Am I like a, I don't know what my color is. I feel like this can be, it's like give ashy. Let's see. Put this thing on. Boom, 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 boom. Like it's not. I don't really like that it's coming out. It's getting ashy when you put it on. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I'm just tripping. Nah, girl. Is it getting ashy? I don't know what color I am. What is giving? Scalp! Now we're gonna go ahead and spray some of this on there. Okay. Let me get this one little spot right here. I feel like I didn't really get it. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut off my circulation. You see how far I got that? So boom, boom, boom. Hold it one side. And then boom. This one is called Raspberry Rose. Raspberry Rose. That's how I have my hair finna come out tea, poo. Okay, what I need to do? I need to clean off this camera a little bit. Ooh, put that makeup up before it be all over my rug. Look at all these combs and brushes I got. And then these is like hair bows, hairpins, rubber bands, scrunchies, all that cute stuff. Her. I'm pretty sure I'll be bringing something back out, but for the most part, oh yeah, oh yeah. But yeah. I literally don't like being on the elevator with people. I finally made it out. I guess somebody moving a couch up because you can see a couch right there. But yeah, I'm gonna get in the car and head over to the old house and show y'all. Oh, it's so cool in here. I'm always going there. The old house is literally 2 seconds up the street. Hey y'all, I'm sitting up here trying to get some work done, but obviously we back at home. I did, well, my mom, my dad ended up coming over to the old house and helping us. We did not have to turn the key in until 12 o'clock and it's currently 11:19. So we did really good, y'all. That place is literally cleaned out. Like, it looked like nobody never even lived there, which was amazing because the carpet and everything just looks so amazing. So I'm really proud of us for keeping, you know, the place intact, except for like the little small things, because Elijah had like a soap dispensary that you find at like restaurants and stuff, and we had put one of those on the wall, and when we tried to take it off, some of like the wall paint had came off, but that's flat paint, I'm guessing, so it was really cheap. But they honestly don't have much to fix, just a little patching up, and yeah, I mean, they should be done with that place in no time. I honestly don't have anything else to do. Just sitting up here getting some work done, and then I'll probably start editing up some videos and start getting those posted, because yes, I miss uploading my videos. I miss y'all seeing me and us chit-chatting in the comments and all that good stuff. But this hair came out really, really good, right? She ate down. But let me finish getting this work done and figure out what's on this SD card, and hopefully I'll probably be uploading some today.